Alright guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be doing the ignition coils and spark plug change. So ignition coils, there's going to be 8 of them right here. 4 on the driver's side and 4 on the passenger side. Here's the other ignition coil right here. See that getting the light on. Yeah. Ignition coil, 4 on this side and then 4 on the driver's side. The tools you'll need are, you're going to need an 8mm socket for here, and 10mm socket for here, and then I believe a 10mm socket for the ignition coils, and then a spark plug socket. Say hello to Duke. A spark plug socket, that way you can get the spark plug out. I have plenty of extensions here, and then my 10mm and 8mm sockets right here. Let's get after it. So here are the parts you'll need. You have your ignition coils. There's 8 of them. Make sure you have all of them. I like to check my stuff before I leave the parts store. Here's your spark plugs, 8 total as well. And then you'll also need some dielectric grease, so you can put on the boot and on the spark plug. So let's get to it. So to detach the air resonator box from the engine, you have a bolt here, a bolt here. On the other side, a bolt here. There's also a sensor that you need to disconnect over here. So let's do that. So right here we'll disconnect the ignition coil wiring clip. The first 2 here. It does get a little tight in the back here, but that's 3 and 4. Now move on to the other 4. So now we have all 8 of the ignition coils disconnected from their wiring connectors here. We'll move forward with getting the bolts out that are securing them into the engine. Okay, so I've already loosened these 3 here, and we'll take these out.